So that's really the use case for XRP. This is a global decentralized ledger that everybody will use and settle value through XRP. And for that to happen, XRP is going to be a very high price to be able to provide liquidity for all of those transactions. Ripple is a company that develops products and solutions on the XRPL, so it's not really XRP. XRP is not a security of Ripple. It's not equity in Ripple. It's completely separate. It's a company that uses the technology. So, similar to the Internet Protocol, Oracle, right? They developed solutions for businesses and business applications bespoke to their use case and their infrastructure using the Internet Protocol. They had private permissioned ecosystems that are interoperable with the global internet. Ripple does the same thing for banks. They provide bespoke banking infrastructure and payment solutions, along with stablecoin and a large breadth of other products that payment providers, institutions, and enterprises can use to be interoperable with other people and settle value or exchange value with them. Ripple has ties with 1,100 different large financial institutions globally. They've been around for 13 years at this point. They have connections globally with every single central bank that you can think of, many of which have been disclosed. You've had many people come from the private sector or the public sector, go to work at Ripple, and then move into other strategic locations or vocations to be able to understand what's going on there and how to integrate that technology. You had Robbie Mitchnick that moved from Ripple and then worked at BlackRock. Rosie Rios, who was the previous treasurer of the U.S. Treasury. Her name's on $1.7 trillion globally, like written out, signed. Rosie Rios. There's just been so many strategic people that have come and gone from that company and understand what the technology is and then moved into the position they need to be in now. It's pretty apparent for anybody paying attention what's actually going on. We're actually going to be at Swell this year in November up there in New York. We'll get to see BlackRock speak. We'll get to see BNY speak. We'll get to see Ripple speak, and all the other large financial institutions that are going to be there up on stage talking about how they're using this technology and how they're going to implement it in their business.